Well, hello everyone. Just doing a little sound healing today with my tuning forks, my gold tuning forks. This is for the heart chakra. There's those symbols again that I'm wearing on my arm. They represent the chakras within the body, the alignment. I hope you can hear me because I'm fighting against the wind. But even still, it feels beautiful out. I believe it might be in the 70s. I don't know exactly. Sometimes I just come out and feel the weather. But today is an awesome day to have an awesome day on purpose. Because every day we should be walking in our purpose. And if you're not doing something that makes you happy, find that one thing. Because there's just one thing that got me going.